Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Tnat Ïalehkai ke Sarkar Jilla kala say Tylli ki Kynhun Ïalehkai ki banya Shim Bynta ha 66 National School Games arajar pulai kaban long hanong ba New Delhi Bhopal bat Gwalior mentau benai jileu kini ki kentup ya basketball badminton athletics boxing shooting table tennis football bat judo Tylli ki Kynhun Ïalehkai kilami menta katayo ban Leit sekata lempung kan baki weipat ki Tylli ki Kynhun ki kentup ya ka table tennis football bat judo kinmi nakaniga nongba haga hanyo tarik ujileo haswa ba kinmi nakaniga nongba nakaliang ka Tnat Ïalehkai kala penlong ka jingelang ka balingkot ha JN Stadium ka badan Apollo nagabenta man ay kabulay kitbok kitruang ni kena bakin Ïalehkai bha haga tege lempung kanang bakin la ban korjing job bat ruban wan par sala ying harengkat kitakma hagani gasngile don langu assistant director ka Tnat Ïalehkai uba paya war nongbri bat kumjur ka sports officer ka kong dalin khonglam ki coach ki bakin top ya uba banshan dingdo kong yai kentiu nongkenri Sharmila Kharbani lembat ki khna.
Competitions will follow on in the next few months, and we will surely make sure that we'll be sending teams for those competitions too. So please take care. We are from the department. We are trying our level best to give the best to all of you. Okay, you'll be mostly traveling by train by Rajdhani to Delhi, and I don't know from Delhi to Bhopal maybe by Saturday or something. Most of them. And most of you are traveling, coming back to Shillong by flight. I think all of you, all of them, right? So we are trying to give the best from the department to all of you. We want the best from you. Okay. It is very important that the state in itself, need very young, promising athletes. To shine at a very young age, that you can raise your bar at different levels when you grow older for the state in the Kynhun Youth Games. It's a very stiff competition where only the top 8 states of the country are eligible to play in those games. So now you are all 12 of you, in fact, will be playing for the National School Games as well. So we expect a lot from you. Okay, so you please give your best. I'm not saying that I'm not expecting less from anyone. I'm expecting the same from each and every one of you, but especially football, we expect a lot from you because you've just performed well in the Kynhun Youth Games. In fact, I would like to thank most of the state sports associations are involved. Meghalaya Football Association, in fact, Meghalaya Judo Association. Please here with us, Mr. Deepak Malik, and in fact, Meghalaya Table Tennis Association, who has been, the playing areas is very hot. Okay, so it's very important that you keep yourselves very fit. You have to drink a lot of juice, a lot of water. Okay, I would request the coaches also to please take care of this. Okay, we don't want any kind of untoward incidents to any one of you. Okay, so it is very important that the team coaches, managers, you have to take extra care of these athletes. Already left. Some of them have already started their competition today, and unfortunately, yesterday one of our basketball players, she suffered a kind of she fainted, in fact, while doing the marching in. She was hospitalized for some hours, and then she was released. Chosen to represent the state in this 66th edition of the National School Games. All of you, all the 3 disciplines, in fact, will be traveling to Bhopal. Okay, like Kong Darlene has already mentioned.